Good morning, students. So today again I'm going to give some of the problems of parts and wholes. So let's start. What is the first question here? Draw grids, G-R-I-D-S, draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with. Number A, 2 by 8 red, half yellow, 14 green. And number B, 3 by 16 blue, 5 by 16 red and half yellow. Now what is the meaning of this? What is this? Draw grids of 16 squares. Now what is the meaning of this? Grids means this one. There are total 16 squares. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is a grid of 16 squares. Now what you have to do? Out of these 16 squares you have to color. 2 by 8 part you have to color red, half part you have to color yellow, 1 by 4 part you have to color green. This one. This is total, there are 16 squares. Now what is the meaning of 2 by 8? 2 by 8 red. Now first you have to find out 2 by 8 means how many squares you will color red. Now how to find out? So first let's start. So first one is, you see, 2 by 8. Okay, 2 by 8 red. Now how to find out? So what we will do? So first we will do 2 by 8 into 16. Why? Because total there are 16 squares. Okay. So if you cancel, 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So 2 twos are 4. So 2 by 8, okay, 2 by 8 red means 4 square you have to color red. Because 2 by 8 into 16 means 4. Now see, I have only blue pen. So I am coloring with blue pen, you color with red. Red means any sketch pen you can use or glitter pen you can use, no problem. So this first 4 I'm coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are red. Okay, I'm writing here R. R for red. So it will be easier for you to understand. Next one, you see half yellow. So let's find out what is the meaning of half yellow. Half yellow means again half into 16, because total there are 16 squares. 8. So 8 yellow, actually you can write down squares. Here also you can write down squares. So now you have to color 8 squares yellow. So let's start here. I'm again coloring it. Coloring means with my pen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm writing here Y. Y for yellow. And last one is 1/4 green. Second, let's do it. 1 by 4 green means 1 by 4 into 16. So 4 fours are 16. Okay, so here it means 4 green squares. And if you can see, only 4 squares are left. Only 4 squares are left. So let's color it. And I've written G. G for green. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Next one is, you see, same 16 squares. You have to do 3 by 16 blue, 5 by 16 red and half yellow. So let's go to the next page. So this is the question. Again, I have drawn first grid of 16 squares. Total there are 16 squares. So first one is 3 by 16 blue. So let's solve. So 3 by 16 blue means 3 by 16 into 16, because total there are 16 squares. So cancel. So 3 blue squares. So color it. 3, any 3. I am coloring this one. 1, 2, 3. And I am writing here B. B for blue. Now we have 5 by 16 red. We have 5 by 16 red. So 5 by 16 red means 5 by 16 into 16. So 16 ones are ones are. So 5 red squares. Now 5 red squares. Any 5 you can read. I am coloring from here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I am writing R. R for red. And last one is half yellow. You can see half yellow. So let's start here, half yellow. Half into 16. So if you cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are. So it will be 8 yellow squares. Here see only 8 are left. Only 8 are left. So color it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yellow I am writing Y. So in this way you have to do the sums. Here I have the blue pen, so I have shaded with the blue pen. You use blue color, red color, yellow color, like that way. Okay. Okay, now I want to discuss one more sum which many of you are doing wrong. And this is the question. This is the question. Find the LCM of 64 and 80 by finding their HCF. This type of question, what you are doing, you are directly finding out the LCM, but that is not the correct method. First you have to find out the HCF, then you have to apply the formula. So let's do it. First you have to find out the HCF of 64 and 80. So let's do it. So 64 and 80. So 64 ones are 64. If you subtract 16, then this 64, write it here, and 16 fours are 64. So HCF is 16. Write it here. HCF equals to 16. Okay, now you have to find out the LCM. And using formula. So LCM formula is first number into second number by HCF. This is the formula. So your first number is 64 and second number is 80. Okay. So let's write down 64 into 80 by HCF is 16. Now here you can directly cancel. 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 64. And 18 to 4 is 320. So your LCM is 320. Okay, by this method you have to find out. Now, another problem that I have given in the doubt clearing class, one division divided by 999. This one I have given in the doubt clearing class, and I told you to write down only the quotient. So many of you get confused. I told you that in the quotient there will be some zeros. So let's do it. I'm writing the quotient here. So first what we'll do, first one time. It will come 999. Subtract 0. Next, this 9 will come here. Now see very carefully. This 9 and here 999. So this 9 is not divisible by 999. So 1 0 you have to give. Now again next 9. Now it becomes 99. Again you see 99 is not divisible by 999. So 1 more 0 here. Next one is next 9. Now it is divisible. 999, 999. So 1 times 999. 0. And last one again this 9. Now again you see this 9 is not divisible by 999. So last 0 you have to put here. That means your quotient is 10010 and your remainder is 9. So I ask you only to write down the quotient. So this one is the answer, 10010. So I hope this one is clear to you. The next video I will come up with few word problems. That will be the last of the fraction. And after that we will practice. We'll do more revisions. Okay. And one case study will also I will give you. In the case of case study, what I will do, I will give you the PDF. You will read it. And the question answers I will discuss in the video. Okay. So today up to this much. Thank you.